Oh, I got lost on the way to you, in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the gold.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new or you bumped into this YouTube channel, karibu sana. Thank you for clicking here. So guys, as I promised, here is an empty one bedroom house tour from the same flat that I did the empty bedsitter house tour. So this is a spacious one bedroom. Can you see it? Can you appreciate the thought that the landlord made here? Very spacious one bedroom house. I love the living room space, guys. Very spacious, guys. Comment down below, guys. Do you like it? Yeah, so that is the window. That's the only disadvantage about this house. It has like a small window, and I love a lot of lighting in the house, so that was one disadvantage. So this is the door leading to the kitchen. Yes, and guys, as I reminded you in the last video, this is an upcoming house. It is 80% done, almost 100%. Guys, will be moving in very soon, so I will be sure coming back here to show you the empty fully finished house. So guys, stay tuned, stay locked, and subscribe, guys. Wait for the video. I'm promising to come back here and show you the video, guys. Comment down below if you like the space of the kitchen. It can actually fit all your kitchen appliances, guys. So this is the door leading to the bathroom and like a small sink. So, and then here goes the bedroom, guys. Here is a quite spacious. They were doing some adjustment on the sockets and wiring. So yeah, you also have a storage for all your clothes, and it's quite a nice space for you, for one person or even two as a couple, guys. Whenever you want to start life as a couple, this is a quite spacious space to live into, guys. Continue watching, like the video. Yes, so guys, don't I love this living room? Don't I just love it? It can fit your dining set, a small dining set, a small office area. You can also have a space to put your console table or a study area for your kids. Yeah, so if you want to start up life, it's a very spacious space for one person or two people, guys. So comment down below, tell me how do you like this space and how can you arrange it too, guys. So we are on the next one bedroom house. So guys, comment down below, tell me how you like it. We are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe, share this video, guys. So I also love this living room space, quite smaller than the other one, guys, but I still love the space. I love the space. I'm sorry, guys, that the bathroom door couldn't be opened. They had locked. I guess they had stored some equipment or construction materials. That's why. We also have a spacious kitchen where you can have your fridge in, your cooker. Yeah, you can, and also even it perhaps might fit a laundry machine, guys. So the storage space is limited, but you can also add more if you want, or if you have a fewer appliances, it can fit very well, guys. Comment down below, tell me how you like this living room space and the house in general, guys. Comment down below. So that is the door leading to the bedroom. So let's see the bedroom, how it looks. Wow, quite spacious, the same as the other one. A 5x6 bed or a 4x6 bed can fit in here very well, guys. But I think when you put a 4x6, you now can put your both your dressing, your side tables, guys. You also have storage for your clothes. Quite spacious for two, and also one. Yeah, if you're living alone, guys, you can also find this, guys. So these houses are in Embakasi at the river in Machakos County, and they range from 15,000, and also one was I'm not quite sure, but the prices will change. I'm yet to confirm the exact price, but stay tuned here. I'm gonna be letting you know the amount, the rent that's going to be paid in this house. So stay tuned, guys. Kindly watch the other videos and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Jennifer Mwithi is on this YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Let's grow this channel. We're on a road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Tell me how you like this, and comment down below if you need me to do more house hunting videos. I'll sure be giving you more, guys. Comment down below on any content you want me to share. Yes, so Thank you for watching. I love you guys and stay blessed. Mwah.